Twice I tried it and it was not successful. I'm basically an automobile engineer. Everybody had an opinion that nothing will grow here because of the shade. Last September I decided to change my farm and I was very confident that I'm going to get the yield.
Good afternoon, Mr. Srinivas.
Hello sir.
How are you?
I am fine sir.
Achha.
Yeah.
So, what do you do, Mr. Srinivas? Tell me something about yourself.
Sir, I am basically an automobile engineer
Okay.
working under IRDA for insurance sector as a surveyor and loss assessor.
Acha.
I do assessment of the vehicles.
Okay, and where do you do this?
I do it in Mysore district.
Mysore.
Yes sir.
So, you cover the entire Mysore
Mysore
district.
district.
Oh, very nice. But what brings you here and why an automobile engineer is looking very different to me today?
Sir, this is my weekend, Saturday, Sunday. I am here. This is my ancestor property.
Okay.
And just free land was given to me. There was nothing on this land. I started developing this since so many years.
Okay.
I planted the coconut as well as teak around my farm.
Okay.
That's how I started.
Okay.
And earlier I used to come once in a while. I was not regular to this.
Okay.
Last September I decided to change my farm.
Oh.
And I've done something on this now.
Okay. That
since
means
1 year.
2019 September.
Yes sir. 2019 September I landed here. Every weekend I am here on Friday and Saturday.
Okay.
And I started cultivating this
Acha.
in a different way.
Okay.
Not
okay.
like regular cultivation.
Okay. Okay.
I started doing it in a different way.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay. Oh, so what were you doing before, and what was that change that happened? And
Sir, this land is covered with teak all around, and there is a coconut in the center of the farm, and it's a shady area. And
so, how many plants in all? How many teak?
I have nearly 200 teak around, and 80 to 90 coconut in the farm.
Okay.
It is just 2 acres land.
Okay.
In this land, what happens? Everybody had an opinion that nothing will grow here because of the shade.
Because of shade from the teak and
the coconut. Then we tried other crops earlier, and we used chemical manure.
Fertilizers.
Fertilizers we have used.
Chemical fertilizers.
Chemical fertilizers. Twice I tried it, and it was not successful.
When you started,
Yes,
you said you started with some crops. What crops did you start with?
Earlier we used to grow grains and all. But we were not successful because we used the chemical manure, and because of the shade, growth was not good. And we literally failed actually in the farm. Subsequently, I planned for, and I was searching in the YouTube as well as Facebook everywhere. I came across with the Dr. Soil.
Okay.
Then it flashed me why I should not try Dr. Soil and grow something here.
Okay.
I started planning to make a horticulture farm.
Okay.
Instead of going for a regular crop. I plan to plant arecanut along with the coconut. Okay. And silver oak. Okay. My plan is to go for a pepper plantation.
So with that plan of going for pepper you planted areca as well as
and
silver oak.
This one. Silver oak. What do I do till 4 years? Till the arecanut come? I planned for banana.
Acha. Okay.
Then I went in for Dr. Soil, which they recommended me that it will give me a very good organic inputs, and my plants will be sustainable. Okay. So definitely I planned it and went through many videos of Dr. Soil. Then I went in for this crop. Initially for the banana buds. Okay. We given Bijopachar.
Dr.
Soil Bijopachar.
Okay. When did you do this?
This was done in the month of October last year. 2019. Okay. October 2019 I planted this. Okay. The seeds were germinated very well.
Very,
99% germination was there.
wow.
And plants came up well.
Okay.
And local farmers, my neighbors and all, they used to visit me. They started telling me, you go for inorganic. Because the growth will be good, and this is having a shade. You may not get a good crop. I told them, I have decided to go for Dr. Soil. I'll go with that.
Acha. So
Then-
you were very clear.
And I was very confident that I'm going to get the yield.
And you will do it only with
Only with Dr. Soil.
Acha.
Then every month,
Huh.
though for 2 acres of 600 banana, it was recommended 5 liters of Dr. Soil.
Okay.
But I have planted 600 banana, 80 coconut is there, 200 teak is there, and I have planted my arcanut, it is around 800,
And
and silver is there 400.
Okay.
So all put together, so many plantation is there. Can I do it with only 5 liters? Then I started giving 10 liters every month.
So,
I started giving it, and for 8 months I have given Dr. Soil.
okay. What was the mixing ratio you were following for?
That is 200 liters, 5 liters of Dr. Soil, and 200 liters of water.
Okay.
That I used to mix it, give it in the venturi to the plants
Acha.
through drip irrigation, and we planned for one more method, that is a rain pipe. You have the drip irrigation wherein the plant will have the drips, I mean the water will drip to the only the root near the lane, but in the rain pipe it will spread out.
Okay.
It will spread to 7 to 8 feet.
Okay.
So the root formation will be more. You will have the better reach, and your watering will also be good. And the Dr. Soil, spread it like anything.
Acha.
Okay. Then I have given the cow dung and the vermi compost
Acha.
along with this.
Additionally, you have given cow dung.
Cow dung, and because my idea was to improve the land fertility. There was no fertility in the land.
So
I wanted to increase that.
Okay, so what was your experience before using Dr. Soil? How was the land? What was the condition of the land? Can you please elaborate little more on it? Can you explain more about
Definitely. My land was very hard. Nothing used to grow here. Though it is not maintained properly, crop was not good, earlier crops. Now, after giving the Dr. Soil, germination was good, plant growth was very good, and they started advising me to use the inorganic manures, like chemical manures. I said, no, I am decided for Dr. Soil, I'll go with it. After 3 months of using Dr. Soil, the same person who was insisting me for chemical manure, he started telling me, don't use anything. Your idea is fantastic and the plant growth is very good.
So go ahead with Dr.
Go ahead with only Dr. Soil. And of course,
So he changed his version.
yes, he himself has changed.
Okay.
And he appreciated that you have done a wonderful job.
Okay.
Within a matter of 1 year,
Huh.
you can see the result.
Okay, so this is the result in
Yes, sir.
1
Yes,
year.
sir. 1 year, sir.
On
September to September.
So we can see some yield already coming on. from
Yes,
your
sir. I have
banana
already
yield.
harvested last week.
Uh-huh.
I have harvested nearly 22 bunches.
Uh-huh.
Each bunch is weighing around 12 kgs.
Okay. Each bunch of banana.
Banana is
This is that small variety of banana, right?
Elakki.
Local
Local
variety.
Elakki variety.
Uh-huh.
Normally, in this condition, you can expect 6 to 8 kgs. That's all. With this setup.
Okay.
But whereas I am getting 10 to 12 kgs, more than 12 kgs also.
Achha. Now you started all these things. You put Dr. Soil across your entire farm and all that.
Yes, sir.
Did you notice any changes in your coconut crop? Because you have
Definitely.
so many coconut plants also.
Yes, sir.
What was it before And what was the change that you observed? Can you please elaborate and explain?
Definitely, sir.
I think your smile is.
I can share some photos.
Please.
I will definitely share some photos how it was earlier and how it is now. You can have a clear look into my
So
coconut
before and
plants.
after.
Before and after.
And what was the
earlier
change?
yield was only 500 to 600 coconut out of 80 plants.
Oh.
80 plants.
Uh-huh.
You believe
How old are these plants?
it's around 20 years.
20-year-old plant.
Yes.
So you would get only 600 to 800 coconuts. Uh-huh. And
Now, believe it or not, I have harvested 1,500 above.
more than 1,500.
Yes, double the
That means in almost 1 year,
yes,
your crop yield has doubled.
And you can have a look in my harvested coconut. I have a lot
Definitely.
today only we
So
harvested.
whom would you like to give credits to?
Definitely Dr. Soil.
Okay.
It has made a miracle. Believe it or not, it has made a miracle, and people are astonished here. Without using.
How does the trees look? The coconut trees, how do they look? How are they looking before? Are they?
Sir, normally coconut tree should have more than 24 leaves, and it should be bushy. Earlier, it used to be just like a sticks, and number of leaves was less actually earlier.
Okay.
And the coconut yield was it had come down to only 600 to 800 per yield out of 80 plants. Now it is doubled.
So now how do the leaves look? How do they?
You see, you know Kannada, no? In Kannada, they say, Sattogiro Totana Jiva Kotru. It means a dead farm was brought into life
Wow.
within 1 year.
Wow,
This is the word our farmers, my neighbors, my villagers are telling me. You have given a life to a dead farm. The fertility of the land is increased, and when you walk on the ground, you can feel that sponginess, like you are not walking on a rock, you are walking on a sponge. Like. Okay, the fertility of the land is so much increased. You can find earthworms.
Okay.
When you find earthworms in your farm, your farm is fit for organic,
kinds of crops.
all types of crops.
Okay.
Fertility is so much increased.
And when you were doing chemical farming, did you find so many earthworms earlier?
Earthworms, you cannot expect it. You will have to search for it.
Acha. So you would never be able to see earthworms when you were doing chemical farming?
No.
The people, when they are going to watch you, what is it that you want to tell people?
Sir, you have organic farming since very long period. But Dr. Soil has converted the scenario. Like in India, we can do wonderful with the Dr. Soil. It is changing the agricultural practices. And your soil will be fertile, your expenses will come down, your returns are going to increase, and your land will be there for it will be fertile for longer period. If you continue the practices, it is going to be a very good return source. And you will be helping the nature, the society, with giving very good food. Chemical-free food, and with a better price also you can give it. Farming, we normally use the chemical manure, pesticide, fungicide, insecticide.
Right.
Okay, the cost of all put together for 1 acre of banana, it is going to touch 60,000 rupees.
Okay.
This is average.
For one crop?
One crop, it is almost, if I am sure, it will be around 60,000 rupees it will come.
Okay.
But whereas with the Dr. Soil, you will be spending only 20,000. That includes your cow dung and vermicompost.
Also.
All put together.
Only 20,000.
Only 20,000. Where is 60,000 and only 20,000?
What about pesticides, fungicides?
Nothing, not necessary at all.
So you didn't use a single pesticide,
Not even
fungicide,
a single
insecticide?
drop. Not even a single drop of chemical manure, pesticide, fungicide, insecticides are not used in this farm.
So you're saying 1/3 of the cost.
1/3. Believe it or not, 1/3 I
So
am spending.
even before you're selling your crop,
Yes.
you are making additional profit.
Definitely, my profit is there, no? So I can happily sell it at a lesser price for good customers.
And you're going to give an organic
Yes,
banana.
I'll be happy that I'm giving him very good food, not a poison with chemical manure.
Okay. That is really
So my conscience will be happy.
So no wonder this big smile on your face.
Definitely. We have put so much of struggle now. Believe it or not, we never expected this is going to happen. This has happened because of Dr. Soil.
So this experience, this whole change that you made from chemical farming to Dr. Soil,
Yes.
now this is filling your not only your pocket but also your mind that you're doing something good.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
It is very, very nice that you have been sharing your experience, and most importantly, those people who are going to watch this video, my dear farmer friends, my dear friends, anybody who wants to get into farming, I would like to request you to go through this experience of his. Mr. Srinivas has explicitly told us what he has experienced in the last 1 year, just a short period of 1 year, what he has experienced. I think it is time for you people to take a call based on this video, what you want to do for. I don't want to say anything beyond this. Take a call on this, what you want to do going further from here. Mr. Srinivas, thank you very much that
Yes.
you joined with us for this particular video, sharing your experiences.
Yes,
Thank you so much. I'm sure this experience of yours is going to benefit a lot of people,
Yes, sir.
thousands and maybe thousands or more thousands people.
Lakhs. Lakhs.
Thousand lakhs of people. Why only thousands of people? Maybe lakhs of
Lakhs of
people
people.
who are going to watch this within our country and even outside our country. Thank you
Definitely.
so much. Thank
Yes,
you so
sir.
much. Friends, thank you so much for joining us for this video. Make the most of whatever you are getting out of this.